There are two types of careers in technology. The first, largely taking place in academia, is focused on the research and discovery of new technologies. The second, encompassing most jobs in technology, is focused on the application of technology to improve our day-to-day lives. Today, I'll be talking about the latter, about the software engineers who are working to build the systems and products that make the world run. These engineers need to have a strong understanding of computer science and the tools and frameworks needed to build modern software. But more importantly, they need to understand how people live and what people need. Often, technologists get excited about building technology that seems novel and exciting. They build interesting and complex systems that require crazy algorithms and millions of lines of code, based on how they think the world should be. But this approach often leads to what's called a solution in search of a problem. The very best engineers look at technology as a tool that should only be used if it is the right solution to the problem at hand. So instead of starting a project by talking about technology, they start projects by talking about people and the problems people are facing. This is where empathy comes in. Empathy is critical to being able to have conversations with people about their lives and to understand their needs, both the needs they explicitly share and the ones that they hint at but don't always make obvious. Empathy is especially important when building technology for people who don't come from the same background that you do. By having these conversations up front and asking the right questions, teams can save thousands of hours of development time. Because solving the right problem with a simple solution will provide far more value to users of your technology than building a complex solution for the wrong problem. Companies like Apple, Airbnb, and IDEO pride themselves on being design-led companies. Their design thinking process sets priorities for the entire organization and is a foundation for the technology they build. At the core of design thinking is empathy. If you want to be a technologist and help build the world of tomorrow, it's important to learn the hard skills, the computer science theory, the programming languages, and the modern frameworks. But it's even more important to develop empathy.